Good morning, everyone. This is RangerRob, and welcome to the RangerRob Country Living channel. Today's kind of an exciting day, if you want to call this exciting, is you guys know we bought this house that was Sherry's folks and stuff. So we know that we replaced the roof, we redid the siding. Well, now we're having our air ducts done. So today we have Ben Carpet and Duct Cleaning here. And they're gonna hook up our air duct system, do tests, and clean our air ducts, and do some repairs for us under the house, which really needs to be done. So we're really excited. So if you're interested in having your air ducts done, these guys were very professional, very polite, and there's a phone number right there, and you can find them at bencarpetandair.com. So I was talking to the gentleman that's been getting us all hooked up. These are the hoses that he's hooking up into our furnace over here in the corner. Once he gets that all adopted into our system, he can hook this up. He says it's quite a sight when they turn that on. There's these big bags that fill up in the back of the truck. So we'll try to get pictures of that. And we're really happy to have them here. It's an old country house, so I'm sure it's not the funnest job in the world for someone to do, but we really appreciate it. So yeah, we'll show you more as we go. So with these guys, they'll open every vent and clean them out. Then first of all, you get in the package like 10 vents. I think we're actually 13 or 14, and you do have to pay extra for that. And we're gonna have them go in the crawl space and do some work, so it'll be a little more than a normal $500 package, but so worth it. This is an older house that's probably never had this done before. So glad to get it done, and the people are very polite, been very courteous, and they don't seem to be in a big hurry to get out of here, so they'll take their time and do the job right. All right, the fine gentleman that's been doing the work for us just finished cleaning our vent and went through all of our registers and got those all cleaned out. And so now what he's going to do is hook up this big vacuum thing and start sucking out, pressurizing all of our vents to get all the dirt and stuff that's inside the pipes. Then after that, I think it would go down below and check some of our ducts. And yeah, working hard over here. This guy's doing a good job. So this guy's firing up the vacuum system. Oh, that's insane. You're not kidding.
Yeah.
So yeah, what he's doing now is putting vacuum to our system, and he's got a blower air hose he's brought into the house, and it will go to every vent and check. That looks funny. Oh my god. So yeah, I had no idea that was on the top of his roof. So, all right, guys. So we're inside. What's your first name again?
Ian.
Ian. He's getting ready to take a hose, and the first thing he's doing. This is my intake, right?
Yeah.
So he takes a hose in there, high pressure hose, sprays it in there, and at the same time with that big vacuum, he's getting all the dust and dirt out of there. So, yeah, he's doing a great job, guys.
It sucks it down. You can see all that.
Still not a fun job. Okay, so now he's got the main intake done here. There. He'll move this hose down to the lower half, and then he'll create another section for the vents. and he doesn't want to do it through the system, so he reattaches it down below here, which you put a fitting in, and does the same thing with all the intakes. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, so far he's now got to do the vents on the floor and stuff, and it's really nice to have this service done, especially if you just bought a house that's maybe 20 or 30 years old. Our decks are actually our decks are in a row and they're actually pretty good. We found like a vent that was broken, and just kind of little things. Of course, the day's not over yet, but this is something Sherry and I really wanted to get done, and we want to make sure that, especially in the winter when we're heating this house, that all the air ducts are working properly, so we're not wasting money. So good service to have, and so far this company's doing a really good job. All right, so the next thing he's doing is now he's blowing air into the vent, and he's got the big vacuum on in the truck out there, and he's got a little floppy thing at the end of his hose that's hitting the sides of the walls to send all the dust and stuff into the big vacuum. So very nice service to have. Well guys, really glad to get that process done. It's a sense of relief knowing that all the air ducts are all cleaned up really good. He had to repair our lint output for our dryer because of the pipe actually dropped down. Anyway, he had to crawl up under the house, tight fit. Anyway, he did get that repaired. We're very happy with that. So overall, if you get a chance, I'll put information down below for the Bend Air Ducts Cleaning Service in Bend, Oregon, and I'll put their phone number down below too, and their website, and I think I said that already. And the service was good, cleaned up after himself, kept the house organized, very polite, and very respectful, and I really appreciate good service like that. So anyway guys, that kind of wraps up our day. Of course I'm behind on my chores today. I've got a couple of tanks to fill, and that's it. And then I got to cook my wife a good dinner. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. We'd appreciate it. And share our videos with people in Montana. I think Montana would love our videos. Pretty sure of it. And or share, if you're in the local area, share it around Central Oregon, so you guys you can get a coupon in the shopping magazine that comes in our mail to save a little money if you need to get your air ducts done. This is the time to do it. So anyway, highly recommend the company, and I'll put all their information down below, and it should be on the screen too. So guys, have a great day, be safe, talk to you later, bye now.
This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.